Wrapped in the trial of Darrell Brooks. Today was the second day of witness testimony. We heard from one woman who saw the SUV hit people in the parade, and then a police officer who was one of the first on the scene. Brooks did get into a disagreement of sorts with deputies. He refused to share his COVID-19 test results. They were negative. He asked Thursday to adjourn the trial because of the virus. Behavior-wise, this was actually his least disruptive day in the court so far.
Right now, we want to bring in our legal analyst, attorney Jamie Pajak. She will help us break down what we saw in court today.
Jamie is a partner at Kim and Lavoie Law Firm. Thanks for joining us again.
Thank you.
We said it was kind of his best day behavior-wise in court yet. And in terms of performing as his own attorney, he actually won an objection today. What happened there?
He did, Steve. What he did was he objected to some evidence that was within a video that alluded to some prior acts or bad acts, if you will, between Mr. Brooks and Ms. Patterson. The court didn't catch it at first, and Mr. Brooks was the one that pointed it out to her. And the long and short of it is that they're going to take the weekend to figure out what they're going to do about this come Monday. But Mr. Brooks did seem to win that motion for now.
Yeah, that is intriguing. Now, when we watch the cross-examination, is there any concern over competency and Brooks being able to represent himself that you see at this point in the trial, Jamie?
Yeah, Carol, I think by this point it's become clear that Mr. Brooks is competent to represent himself. He's very prepared, he's thoughtful, he's making objections and arguments, and I think he's laid the groundwork for how he's going to conduct himself this next week with the rest of the cross-examination.
Well, let's get into that. The judge at one point today cited the state statute that says, Mr. Brooks, you cannot take 40 minutes to cross-examine a witness by asking the same questions again and again. I mean, she's really stepping in here to limit what he's able to do.
Yes, that statute does give her that power to kind of take the reins away from Mr. Brooks when she feels he's getting off task or making the witness uncomfortable and embarrassed or just confusing things and wasting too much time. She can certainly limit that, and she can cut him off and just refuse to allow him more cross-examination. So I think we're going to see a lot more of that next week.
Yeah, early on she has been very patient in some of the situations. Jamie Pajak, we appreciate you sharing your legal expertise with us this evening at 6. And TMJ4 News will stream the Brooks trial live. You can find a link to it at the top of our homepage by going to tmj4.com.
Now to Project